we are here in Bangkok for the 3 days progressive control pathway training for support officer for the FMD control in the South Asia and Southeast Asia region. And we have almost completed our second day of session. And today we have Dr. Melissa with us to share her experience about this training. So, hello, Dr. Melissa, and could you introduce yourself first, please?
Sure, Shankar. My name is Melissa McLaws. I'm a veterinary epidemiologist working with the EuFMD.
And could you please share your experience of this training of 2 days about the country progress over the time, and how you feel that the training is going on, like how the participants are progressing with the workshop exercises and all those topics.
Thank you. I think that this is a really exciting workshop because the participants in this workshop are having the opportunity to take the lessons that they've learned in working in the PCP in their own countries, to think about becoming support officers to help other countries to now progress through the PCP. So in discussing their own country's challenges, we found that there's a lot of common challenges in the region. For example, about ensuring that the vaccine that is used, is applied, is of a high quality, and that there's enough doses to achieve the objectives that they want to achieve. There's common challenges in terms of controlling animal movements within countries and between countries. And so to have participants together from different countries is a really great opportunity to explore some of those things. We're finding the participants are evaluating risk-based control plans and risk assessment plans. And in looking at these examples, they can think about how they can better help countries, their own country or other countries in the region, to develop these plans for themselves in the future, which is the function of the PCP support officers.
Yeah, so my next question is, how do you feel that the topic monitoring and evaluation may help the participant to accomplish their activities for the control of FMD in the respective country?
Well, I think monitoring and evaluation is really one of the fundamental principles of the PCP, because through collecting data and evaluating it and then assessing whether or not the objectives are being reached, countries have the opportunity to continuously improve their control plans. And so that's true whether or not you're working in the country as a veterinary officer, or if you're a support officer. To always monitor and evaluate how you're doing is really an important component.
Thank you for your time and valuable inputs.
Thanks.